unboxing video, and today I'll be unboxing the Twinkies Scented Candle. So you guys know Twinkies, a lot of you guys love this snack right here. You guys love it. I'm pretty sure there's nobody out there that ate those snacks, but I mean after a while of eating them they kind of get too sweet, but you love them. Those are your go-to snacks. And this brand right here, if you guys know Casey Neistat's wife, she loves those, what do you call it, I think it's the donuts, but I think they like the brand in general. They're always eating the brand and showing them. I don't know if they're like a paid brand ambassador or something or whatever, but they love the product genuinely. So here it is 3 ounce. It has the Twinkies scented flavor, so if you love the scent of the Twinkies then you will definitely like it. And here it is showing made in Vietnam, distributed by blah blah blah, all those information that you guys don't really read. And here's the warning. Let's see what the warning could have been. Let me see if this camera can focus. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna read it. So, misuse of candles can be dangerous. Ensure candles are placed well apart. What's that? 1 inch to 3 centimeter and upright to avoid rapid burning. Never leave a burning candle unattended. Never move burning candle. Carefully extinguish and avoid wax splatter, and ensure candle is no longer burning before discarding. Use under adult supervision. So if you're a child, this is not a snack, this is a candle. Do not eat it, do not put it in your mouth or anything like that. But I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna light it for you guys in this video. Let me know if you're a fan of this brand. Let me know if you love these, and let me know if you love the scent of this candle, because as you guys know, I can't really tell you how it smells on camera or make you smell it on camera unless you go out there and get one of these in store. I'm not sure where in your country or where you are where you can get it, but I'm pretty sure you will find these online if you just type in literally Twinkies Scented Candle. And just having it right here, I can smell it, and I haven't even pulled it as yet. You can smell that nice scent, and it actually has the color that the cake actually has, and it smells really good just like the cake. I'm kind of wondering how did they get it to smell like the cake in a candle. That is pretty nice. So I'm pretty sure if you're like a coffee fan or so, you have coffee scented candles. But with all of that said, let's unbox it. I know you guys might be saying, is he gonna unbox it already? Like, come on. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna be in the comment section like, unbox starts at this and this second. So I'm gonna grab my unboxing knife real quick, and here's my unboxing knife. Bada boom bada bing, snap right in place. And I'm gonna carefully unbox it because I don't want to like destroy the packaging, so I'm just gonna carefully unbox it. Oh shoot, I teared it, guys. I teared it. Oh my god, I teared it. But here it is, guys. That's it. Right out of the box, or the packaging, whatever you call it. That's the packaging right there. Twinkies Scented Candle. And this is, I guess this is the original scent, because this right here is the original flavor. It is not the banana, because I know a lot of you guys maybe go to the supermarket sometime and take up the Twinkies thinking that is the original one. Then when you get home you realize that, hey, this is the banana version and I don't really like the banana version. But here it is right here in the candle, nice and easy, pretty nice, clean. You don't have any logos like printed out like scented candle, Twinkies scented candle. I think that would be kind of cool, to be honest, to like keep the branding on here and not just have it as a glass cup or whatever. But people can come to your house and maybe they're wondering, you smell like Twinkies. Were you eating Twinkies? And you're like, no, but I have Twinkies scented candle. And they will be like, okay, yeah, I want those and all those stuff. So should I light it up now? Yeah, I think I'm gonna light it up now for you guys to see how it's gonna light. Let me see one of these. That one doesn't work. That one doesn't work. Wait, what? Hold on. think I'm doing it the wrong way. There we go. Oh shoot. There we go. Oh shoot. I don't know to use a lighter. Alright, here we go. Lighting it. Boom. It is light. Just like that. The fire is blazing. It is hot. It is warm, and it is burning very slowly. You don't see any discord, like any flames coming up, like you know what I'm saying, like those fire sparks when you just start a candle or something like that. It is burning very slowly. The wax haven't started to melt yet. Let me zoom in for you guys. The wax haven't started to melt us yet, but you can see it is burning very slow and calmly. If you smell that right there, you can smell the candle scent nice and easy, and you can see all the ingredients that is in it. You can see the cream. Honestly, I can see the cream, and I can also see, I would call it, the bread around it, which is pretty nice that they put in those details. You can literally think, I'm kind of thinking that they maybe like just literally take some of these cake right here on the box. Let me zoom out for you guys. So they take some of these cake right here on the box and like just literally crushed it up, and I'm gonna say freeze, but I know it's not freeze, and freeze it into a wax or something, because it smells just like that. It smells just like the scented candle right there. And I can't believe that they actually done something like this. I'm pretty sure this was like a fan request, because a lot of people might like, hey, I love Twinkies so bad. You know what would be cool? If you guys actually put in a scented candle. I would love my house to smell like Twinkies Scented Candle. So here you have it, the Twinkies Scented Candle, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna buy this, because a lot of people are very addictive to this stuff right here. So that's pretty much what I have to say for this video, guys. If you reaches for this video, let me know what are your thoughts. But until then, my guys, let me know in the comment section, are you gonna get this? Have you ever had one? Do you know of any other flavors? Like, do you know if they have the banana flavor or the donut flavor? Because I think Twinkies make a lot of I would say desserts like these. I think they make donuts, chocolate. I think you have like something called a devil donut or something, but I know it's like a chocolate thingy thing. I think there's a many variety of them. So as I said, it's the company Hostess, because I think there's a lot of people out there that make Twinkies, but this right here I think is the best on the market. But that's pretty much for it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. But until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.